Dishwasher Troubleshooting Common Error Codes. Understanding your GE dishwasher's error codes can save you time and stress. These codes help identify specific issues so you can fix them quickly. This section will cover some common error codes you might see on your GE dishwasher. E1. The E1 error code indicates a water heating issue. Your dishwasher isn't heating water to the required temperature. This can be due to several reasons: faulty heating element, malfunctioning thermostat, defective control board. To troubleshoot, 1. Check the heating element for any visible damage. 2. Test the thermostat with a multimeter. 3. Inspect the control board for any signs of wear. Replacing the faulty part usually resolves the issue. E2. The E2 error code points to a drain problem. Your dishwasher is not draining water properly. Possible causes include clogged drain hose, blocked filter, faulty drain pump. To troubleshoot, 1. Check the drain hose for any blockages. 2. Clean the filter to remove any debris. 3. Test the drain pump for proper operation. Ensuring that these parts are clean and functional can fix the problem. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching video.